Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the top 10 video doorbells of this year. Whether you are looking to enhance your home security or simply want a more convenient way to see who's at the door, we have got you covered. We'll explore the features, design and effectiveness of each product, helping you make an informed decision. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Ring Video Doorbell 1080p Satin Nickel. This product offers a sleek and modern design that fits well with most home aesthetics. This model delivers high-definition 1080p video quality, ensuring clear and crisp footage whether you are checking in via your smartphone or a computer. The Satin Nickel finish adds a touch of elegance, making it both functional and stylish. In terms of usability, the Ring Video Doorbell is equipped with motion detection and real-time notifications, so you are always informed of activity at your door. Its two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with visitors directly through the app, no matter where you are. Installation is straightforward and it integrates seamlessly with other Ring products and smart home systems. The device is built to withstand various weather conditions, enhancing its durability. Overall, it's a reliable choice for those seeking a blend of style and performance. Moving on to the next, number 2 with Blink Video Doorbell HD Black. This product is designed for those who prioritize ease of use and affordability without compromising on essential features. This model offers HD video quality, allowing you to see and speak to visitors clearly through the Blink app. Its sleek black design makes it a versatile option that complements various home exteriors. One of the standard features of the Blink Video Doorbell is its integration with the Blink Smart Security System. This provides a cohesive approach to home security with features like motion detection, alerts, and video recording. The installation process is relatively simple, with a setup that doesn't require professional assistance. Durability is another strong suit, as it is built to withstand outdoor elements. It's an excellent choice for those who want a budget-friendly yet effective video doorbell. Coming in at number 3 is the Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell. This doorbell is renowned for its expansive 180-degree field of view, which offers comprehensive coverage of your doorstep. Its high-definition video quality ensures that you can clearly see and record everyone who approaches your door. The sleek, modern design is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. What sets this model apart is its direct wired power source, which means you won't need to worry about battery life. Additionally, the Arlo Essential features advanced motion detection and night vision, providing clear footage around the clock. Its two-way audio system allows you to communicate with visitors seamlessly. The doorbell's build quality is robust, ensuring longevity and durability even in harsh weather conditions. It's a top pick for those who need extensive coverage and reliability. Next, at number 4, we have a Eufy Security Battery Video Doorbell C210 Kit. This product offers a combination of high performance and convenience. With its 2K resolution, this doorbell provides sharp and detailed video quality. The battery-powered design means you can install it without the need for complicated wiring, making it a flexible choice for various home setups. The Eufy doorbell comes with advanced features such as human detection, which reduces false alerts and ensures you are notified only when it matters. It also supports two-way audio, so you can speak with visitors directly from your smartphone. The kit includes a chime, adding an extra layer of convenience. Built to be weather-resistant, this doorbell performs well in various conditions. Its high-resolution video and battery-powered design makes it a versatile and dependable option. The number 5 position is held by AOSU wireless doorbell camera. This camera boasts an impressive 5-megapixel Ultra HD resolution, offering superior video clarity compared to many competitors. Its wireless design means installation is a breeze, with no need for complex wiring. The modern and sleek look of the doorbell complements various home styles while delivering excellent performance. Key features include advanced motion detection and high-quality two-way audio, ensuring you can see and communicate with visitors clearly. The camera's wide-angle lens provides a broad view of your entryway, and its weather-resistant design ensures reliable operation in different environmental conditions. With easy setup and high-definition video, the AOSU is an excellent choice for those seeking top-tier performance and convenience. Number 6 position is dominated by Aqara Video Doorbell G4. This product offers a stylish and compact design with a chime included, making it a practical choice for homeowners. The doorbell features high-definition video recording and a wide-angle lens to capture a comprehensive view of your doorstep. Its modern design fits seamlessly with contemporary home aesthetics. This model stands out for its integration with the Aqara smart home ecosystem, allowing for enhanced functionality and control. Features such as motion detection and two-way audio provide added convenience and security. The included chime ensures you never miss a visitor, even if you are not near your smartphone. Built to endure various weather conditions, the Aqara Video Doorbell G4 is both durable and effective. The number 7 position is held by Google Nest Doorbell Wired HDR. This product is a standard option for those invested in the Google ecosystem. It offers HDR video quality, providing clear and detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Its sleek design blends well with modern home styles, and it's designed for wired installation, ensuring a constant power supply. The Nest Doorbell features advanced motion detection, including alerts for people, packages, and animals. Its integration with Google Assistant allows for voice commands and seamless interaction with other smart home devices. The built-in two-way audio system lets it communicate with visitors effortlessly. With robust weather resistance and high-definition video capabilities, this doorbell is ideal for those who value advanced features and integration with Google products. The number 8 position is held by wireless 1080p video doorbell with AI detection. This product offers a combination of high-definition video quality and advanced artificial intelligence features. The AI technology enhances motion detection, distinguishing between people, vehicles, and animals to reduce false alerts. Its wireless design simplifies installation, eliminating the need for extensive wiring. This model includes two-way audio, allowing for clear communication with visitors from your smartphone. Its weather-resistant construction ensures durability in various conditions. The 1080p video quality provides clear and sharp images, making it easier to see and record activities at your door. For those seeking advanced detection features and easy installation, this doorbell is a solid choice. Next, at number 9, we have REOLINK 5-megapixel doorbell Wi-Fi camera. This camera delivers exceptional video quality with its 5-megapixel resolution, providing clear and detailed footage. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy installation and remote access through the REOLINK app. The doorbell's design is both modern and practical, fitting well with various home exteriors. Features include motion detection and two-way audio, ensuring you can interact with visitors and stay informed of any activity at your door. The camera's wide-angle lens captures a broad view, and its weather-resistant build ensures reliable performance in different conditions. With high-resolution video and convenient Wi-Fi connectivity, the REOLINK doorbell is a strong contender for those seeking top-notch performance. Finally, the number 10 position is held by Adhesive mount for video doorbell. This product is a practical accessory that enhances the flexibility of installing a video doorbell. This mount allows for easy placement on various surfaces without the need for drilling or complex installation. Its adhesive design ensures a secure hold, making it a great option for renters or those who want a temporary setup. While it doesn't include video doorbell features itself, the adhesive mount is compatible with a wide range of video doorbell models. It offers a convenient solution for those looking to reposition their doorbell or install it in locations where drilling is not feasible. This accessory provides added versatility and ease of use, complementing your video doorbell setup. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you choose the best video doorbell for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.